soft like a whispered prayer. Candles flicker, warm the frosted air. A wreath on the door and laughter inside. The world feels smaller tonight. Every heart beats a little brighter. Every star seems to sing. I'm home for Christmas with love